Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. J'apprends le français avec Vincent. And in this video, we'll discover together les temps progressifs. So this video will be quite useful because French people tend to use this concept of les temps progressifs quite often, and we'll discover that together. So the way to construct this temps progressif thing is to use first the verb être, okay? After that you will put this en train de, and finally you will put this infinitive form at the end. Okay, so what it is about, well, basically it's quite simple because you want to express something that is happening. Okay, so at the time when you are talking, this thing is happening, so this is the best way to describe it, and this is the best way to use this structure, les temps progressifs. So you will use this être verb that you will of course put whether at the present form, le présent, or then it's possible also to use le futur. We'll see that imparfait form would be possible, or then conditionnel présent, conditionnel passé, and last but not least, subjonctif présent et subjonctif passé. Okay, so we'll see exactly how it goes, and we'll start of course with le présent progressif. Okay, so le présent progressif, as I told you, you will first use être that you will put here at the present form, then you will use this en train de, and after that the verb at the infinitive form, regarder. Okay, and the translation in English would be you are watching. So we are talking about something that is happening at the time when we are talking. Okay, tu es en train de regarder, and this is the present tense in that case. So let's see how it would go for le futur progressif. And so it would be tu seras en train de regarder. Okay, in English you will be watching. Okay, same concept here. You just put the verb être at the futur simple form, and so it's sera, and the rest is the same, en train de regarder. Okay, tu seras en train de regarder. And so as we saw in the first slide, you can use this imparfait progressif as well, and it will go like that. Tu étais en train de regarder. Okay, and in English, you were watching. Okay, same concept. You get the verb être at the imparfait form, and the rest is the same. Le conditionnel présent progressif would be like tu serais en train de regarder. Okay, tu serais en train de regarder, and in English it would be you would be watching. Okay, so same thing here, the verb être at the conditionnel présent form. Tu serais en train de regarder. Le conditionnel passé progressif, tu aurais été en train de regarder. Okay, you would have been watching. D'accord? Tu aurais été, and in that case, aurait été, remember, it's the verb être at the conditionnel passé form. Tu aurais été en train de regarder. Le subjonctif présent progressif would be que tu sois en train de regarder. Okay, so it's a bit tricky in English because of course the subjunctive doesn't work or doesn't exist, sorry. So it would be that you would be watching. Okay, so if you have no clue about le subjonctif présent, I would definitely advise you to watch my videos covering this topic because it's a big thing in French, and definitely you want to know that. Okay, so but it's anyway, it would be que tu sois en train de regarder, and of course in that case sois here it's the verb être but at the subjonctif présent form. And the last form would be le subjonctif passé progressif que tu aies été en train de regarder. And in English, it would be that you were watching. Okay, and same thing here, you've got ait été, and it's the subjunctive passé form of the verb être. Okay, well, that's it for les temps progressifs. I hope it was clear. If it's not, then I advise you to watch it one more time.